YouTube channel, I'm gonna open a Disney toy. Gotta be some. I got that one. No, Mommy. Mommy, I opened it. Look. Mommy, I think I should do it like this. I think you do it like this.
Oh my goodness.
Did you see it? I did it. If I got mine, don't be opening my Ryan toy, right?
Yeah.
Like,
One. Let's see how many there are. Good press.
then this one is good. I got this one. Mommy, look, how's this? Let's see what kind did you get. Mommy, I got one for green.
Another one.
I don't know how I opened this one. I opened that one. Sticks, Mommy. It's like a sticker, right?
Yeah.
It's a sticker. That one. Now the last one, right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
The last one. I got it. Now that's the rest, right?
All done, uh-huh.
Hi, welcome back, guys. This is from Toy Story. This is Cappy Cat. And this is from Belle. And this is from Ariel. And this one is from Jasmine. And this one, this glitter, is from Elsa.